Hi guys, welcome back. So guys, I think that fashion videos need a break. So today I thought of doing a vlog. Now guys, today is a Friday and I'm going to Mapusa to meet some of my relatives. So since it is a Friday and I'm going to Mapusa, then it is the best opportunity guys to capture the Mapusa Friday Bazaar. It is a famous bazaar guys. Now guys, this Mapusa market or bazaar was established in 1960. Can you imagine? And guys, it was Goa's first planned market and it was initially designed for merchants and trades guys. And it has since then evolved into a major tourist destination guys. So today we'll go there and we'll check it out, how it looks like, what type of merchants are there, what type of stalls are there, and all those things we will check out there now today guys. Now guys, along with Mapusa Bazaar, I will be exploring some famous spots in Mapusa as well. So buckle up guys, because it is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video first only before you forget guys, because later on you will forget to like the video. That's why I'm telling you guys, like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Guys, we are going to the Mapusa Market on Friday. It's a very famous market, so let's check it out.
Don't push back.
So guys, we entered the market from the back side because there was too much traffic and we had a tough time parking the car. So as you guys saw it, as we entered the market, they were selling all these dry items, dried fish, dried prawns, and just to name a few, tikki, methi, elaichi, which is cinnamon, fenugreek, cardamom. Guys, you name the spices and they are available right here. They also have different type of incense here. And now guys, they have modernized this market with toys, plastic items. But this is the real market guys, where they sell locally grown vegetables and dried fish, which people buy and store just before the rains so that they can have it during the rainy season. Now Ruel found a shop of his interest and he was excited about it. Now guys, the bazaar was getting interesting. Then we saw the koitios and knives. Even clothes were available here, from curtains to tablecloths to mobile accessories, and even Gucci and Versace dupes were available here guys. The garam masalas were available in plenty guys. They even had smaller packets if you did not want it to buy loose, plastic containers if you did not have one. They were available in different shapes and sizes. Then came the fruit market guys. Name a fruit that you like and it was available here. Avocados, dragon fruits, and we were looking for some nice mangoes guys. We were looking for Mankurad mangoes, but the season was almost over. But we got nice Alfonso mangoes. They were also tasting very nice. Sweet potatoes, jackfruits, and guys, we were surprised by looking at the size of the bananas. These were huge bananas guys. As you guys can see, if I take my hand closer, how long they are. Even Ruel was excited to touch them. And guys, now comes the most famous and the most unique thing that you get here, and that is these small red chilies. Before, you used to get these chilies only in this market, and I heard that they are very good to add flavor to the curries. Then you will get handmade items here, like these handmade brooms. We call them jhadus. And guys, just have a look at the market. There are so many options, so many dry item sellers. If one guy is not giving good rate, then you can go to another guy and try your luck. And this is not it guys, more interesting things are coming. First I thought that this market was only a veg market, but there are non-veg items too. So we'll see that further in this video guys, so keep watching. There was also a special shop that was selling nice pickles, and here you are guys. The first non-veg shop that I saw was selling cherisas, which are the Goan made sausages. Guys, they were even selling locally grown plants here. Peanuts were available in plenty, tomatoes were available in plenty, ginger was available in plenty, garlic was available in plenty, cauliflower was available in plenty, lemons were available in plenty and were nicely arranged. Guys, whatever you want, it is right here in the Friday Mapusa Bazaar. So as you guys can see, every street has a different vendor, guys. And look at the amount of people who have come here to buy stuff, because you simply get almost everything here, guys. From sambar to kandas. How many of you guys like kandas? Do let me know in the comment section below. Then if you like dry fruits, then you get dry fruits packets as well here. You also get traditional stone grinders here. Flower garlands are also available here, and red chilies you don't tell only is the main item here. They also sell live birds here. And guys, look at the meat market. It's in the straight line. You can get all types of meat here. And just opposite of the meat market is the fish market. And just opposite of the fish market, they were selling live roosters. So this is the fish market. And as you guys can see, it's almost evening. So that is the reason why there is very less people here. But usually this place is very crowded. And you get good fish out here. Now guys, this is not it. We will also explore some famous spots out here that you can check out if you come to Mapusa. So video is going to be more interesting, guys. Don't skip even a bit and keep watching. Guys, finally we are out of Friday Mapusa Bazaar, and now we are going somewhere else, and Sensi is taking us somewhere else because Sensi is the master here of Mapusa and she knows all the places very well. So let's see where she is taking us next. Then guys, we had to meet one of our relatives here. We met him and then we moved on to the next spot. Yes guys, we are come to this Sai Santosh Juice and Shake House, and just check out the menu, guys. Now this is a very famous shop. So if you are coming to Mapusa, then this shop is a must visit. First we ordered the faloda, and just look at it, guys. Just by looking at the faloda, people go crazy. Then I ordered tender cream for myself, and the tender cream comes something like this, and I was very eager to taste it, guys. So guys, I am having my tender cream. Let's see how it tastes. Guys, if you want to taste this, then you can come here to the Mapusa taxi stand, to the Sai Santosh corner, and you can taste all the shakes out here. They taste amazing, guys. They are refreshing, and it's a very famous point, guys. Guys, then we came to a place called Cow Gully because Sensi suggested us that the kachoris from this place taste amazing, and I am a big kachori fan, so we came here specially to try out their kachori. So let's check it out. Mind blowing, guys, mind blowing. Then guys, it started raining, but we still had one more spot to visit, and that is this Mixta good food street style stall where you get the Mapusa's famous chicken kafrial. So if you are coming to Mapusa, then trying out chicken kafrial at this stall is a must, guys. So we ordered our chicken kafrial pav. Sandrina is trying it out, so let's hear from her mouth how it tastes. Then Ruel tried out his special drink, and it came in a bottle which was like an ancient type of bottle where they had a marble in the bottle that we had to press to open it, and he was having a tough time to press the marble inside. So Adil helped him and Ruel finally got to drink the soda. So let's ask Ruel how it tastes.
Wow, this is yummy!
Then we headed to our last stop for the day, which was Saligaon. And here's the Saligaon Mãe de Deus Church, which means Mother of God. It's a beautiful spot to visit, guys. Many people come here to spend their evening. Today there's nobody here because it is raining. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.